Today on the Fixit Shed, I need to take a look at my oven. So the last time we tried to set it, we set it for 350. It would only go up to 235 degrees. So probably one of two things. It's probably either the bake element or the temperature sensor. Okay. All right, so we're going to take a look at those two things. All right, before you get started, it's always a good idea to either unplug it or turn off the breaker for it. The temperature sensor is near the top of the oven, and you can see it up in the corner there. There's a couple screws that hold it in place, and it looks to be in decent shape. It doesn't look damaged. So we're going to look and see what we can find that maybe looks damaged first. The bake element is hidden. The broiler element at the top you can see, and I did look through this, and it looks to be in fairly good shape. So we need to take a look at the bake element. So I need to take that pan out so that I can see the element. Some ovens, this pan is just sitting in here and you can just lift it out. I have two screws in the back that I need to take out in order to get this pan out. Alright, so here is the bake element, and looking right here, this looks like it's blown out. Yeah, right down there you can see where that looks damaged. Looks like this element is bad. And they're going to save us some time removing it because one of the screws is right here that's supposed to be in that hole. Interesting. I wonder if that's been like that since new. Alright, so now, oops. So we should have three screws. There's one, right? There's one here and one there. Get these out. Alright, now I'm just going to take off this little access panel. So these are the connections for the bottom element. So I'm just going to disconnect those. There's one. There's the other one. Alright, now we can get the element out through the front. Yeah, so these two brackets are not exactly the same, but they're pretty close. So I am going to just make new holes for the screws. Alright, now we can reattach these wires. That one's on. Okay. And that one's on. Alright. Put the cover back on. So let's turn this, see if it comes up to 350. Success. Alright, so that's how you replace the bake element on this Maytag oven. So if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.